Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we're diving into the world of cycling and entrepreneurship. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of starting your very own bicycle rental and tours business? Well, buckle up, because we've got all the insider tips and tricks you need. Hey there, aspiring business owners. I'm thrilled to have you join me on this epic adventure. Starting a bicycle rental and tours business can be an exhilarating experience, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's get started, shall we? Starting a bicycle rental and tours business offers a unique opportunity to combine your passion for cycling with the excitement of entrepreneurship. Whether you're an avid cyclist looking to turn your hobby into a thriving business or an entrepreneur seeking a new venture, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed. Market research. The first rule of any successful business is understanding your market. You need to identify your target audience and their needs. Are you targeting thrill-seeking tourists, fitness enthusiasts, or perhaps eco-conscious commuters? By conducting thorough market research, you can tailor your services to meet their demands. Market research involves collecting and analyzing data about your potential customers, local competitors, and industry trends. Start by identifying your target demographic, including age groups, interests, and preferences. Conduct surveys, interviews, and focus groups to gain insights into their expectations and desires when it comes to cycling experiences. Additionally, analyze your competitors in the local area. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, pricing strategies, and customer reviews. This will help you differentiate your business and offer unique experiences that stand out in the market. Location. Now that you know your audience, it's time to find the perfect location for your business. Look for areas with high foot traffic, popular cycling routes, or proximity to tourist attractions. A central location with ample parking and easy access will make your business more appealing to customers. Consider the demographics of the area and the demand for bicycle rentals and tours. Tourist hotspots, parks, beaches, and urban centers are often ideal locations for such businesses. Research local zoning regulations and permits required for operating a rental and tour business. Ensure that your chosen location complies with the necessary legal requirements. Analyzing the local infrastructure is crucial. Look for areas with dedicated bike lanes, cycling-friendly roads, and attractions that align with your target audience's interests. The availability of parking spaces for both bicycles and vehicles is also an important consideration. Building a stellar fleet. Your fleet is the backbone of your business. Investing in high-quality bicycles and accessories will ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Consider offering a diverse range of bikes, from city cruisers to mountain bikes, to cater to different preferences and skill levels. Selecting the right bicycles for your rental and tour business is essential. Choose reputable brands known for their durability and reliability. Factors such as comfort, ease of use, and maintenance requirements should be considered. Additionally, select bicycles that are suitable for the terrain and attractions in your area. Regular maintenance and servicing of your fleet are crucial for both customer safety and the longevity of your bikes. Create a maintenance schedule to inspect and repair bicycles, ensuring they are always in excellent condition. This will minimize breakdowns and maximize customer satisfaction. Offering accessories and safety equipment is another way to enhance the customer experience. Provide helmets, locks, baskets, and other accessories based on customer preferences and local regulations. These extras will add value to your rentals and promote safety. Marketing magic. Marketing is crucial to attract customers. Embrace the power of social media, create a captivating website, and collaborate with local businesses and tourism boards. Spread the word about your unique tours, customer testimonials, and exclusive offers. Remember, your online presence will be key to reaching a global audience. To effectively market your bicycle rental and tours business, leverage the power of social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Create visually appealing content showcasing the beauty of your tours, the excitement of cycling, and the experiences your customers can expect. Utilize targeted advertising campaigns on social media to reach your desired audience. Collaborate with local influencers, travel bloggers, and cycling enthusiasts who can help promote your business to their followers. Encourage customers to share their experiences on social media and feature their posts on your platforms to increase engagement. A well-designed website is essential for your business. Create an informative and user-friendly website that highlights your services, pricing, tour itineraries, and booking options. Optimize your website for search engines to ensure potential customers can easily find you online. Collaborate with local businesses, hotels, and tourism boards to create partnerships and cross-promotional opportunities. Offer special packages or discounts to their customers or guests. Participate in local events, fairs, and trade shows to increase your visibility in the community. Collect and showcase customer testimonials and reviews on your website and social media channels. Positive feedback from satisfied customers is a powerful marketing tool that builds trust and credibility for your business. Safety first. Safety should always be a top priority. Make sure your customers are equipped with helmets, reflective gear, and have a clear understanding of local traffic rules. Offering safety briefings and guided tours will not only enhance the customer experience but also ensure their well-being. Prioritize safety by providing customers with all the necessary safety equipment. Require the use of helmets and provide guidance on wearing reflective gear, especially when cycling at night. Educate customers about local traffic laws and the importance of following them to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Offer safety briefings or orientations before customers embark on their cycling adventures. Explain how to operate the bicycles, share tips on safe cycling practices, and provide information about potential hazards or challenging routes. This will help customers feel more confident and prepared during their tours. Train your staff on safety protocols and emergency procedures. Ensure they have the knowledge to handle potential situations, such as accidents, breakdowns, or medical emergencies. Display clear signage in your rental shop and along tour routes to remind customers of safety guidelines. Customer service excellence. Exceptional customer service can make or break your business. Train your staff to be friendly, knowledgeable, and efficient. Provide assistance with bike adjustments, route suggestions, and insider tips about local attractions. Going the extra mile will leave a lasting impression on your customers. Create a positive and welcoming environment for your customers. Train your staff to provide excellent customer service, addressing their needs and inquiries with professionalism and a friendly attitude. Hire staff who are passionate about cycling and can share their knowledge and enthusiasm with customers. Ensure your staff is well-versed in bike adjustments, offering assistance to customers in fitting the bicycles to their preferences and comfort. Provide information about local attractions, landmarks, and recommended routes to enhance their experience and help them make the most of their cycling adventure. Go the extra mile by offering personalized recommendations based on customers' interests, fitness levels, and time constraints. Provide maps, brochures, or digital resources that highlight popular routes, scenic spots, and hidden gems in your area. This will demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction and create memorable experiences. Collect feedback from your customers through surveys or online reviews and use it to continuously improve your services. Pay attention to their suggestions and implement changes that align with their expectations. Building strong relationships with your customers will lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Growing your business. Congratulations! You've successfully launched your bicycle rental and tours business. But the journey doesn't end there. Continuously innovate, offer new experiences, and listen to your customers' feedback. Expand your services by introducing guided tours, partnering with hotels, or even launching an e-bike fleet. The sky's the limit. As your business gains traction, explore opportunities for growth and expansion. Introduce guided tours that cater to different interests, such as historical, cultural, or food-themed tours. Collaborate with local hotels or accommodations to offer package deals that include bicycle rentals or exclusive tours. Consider investing in e-bikes, which have gained popularity in recent years. Adding an e-bike fleet to your offerings can attract a wider range of customers, including those who may require assistance with longer distances or hilly terrains. Continuously innovate and keep up with industry trends. Stay updated on the latest cycling technologies, accessories, and customer preferences. Consider offering specialized tours or events, such as wine tasting tours, adventure races, or family-friendly excursions. Leverage technology to streamline your operations. Implement an online booking system that allows customers to reserve bicycles and tours in advance. Develop a mobile app that provides real-time information about available bikes, routes, and tour schedules. Collaborate with local tourism boards, travel agencies, and event organizers to promote your business. Participate in travel expos, bike festivals, or community events to showcase your services and attract new customers. Invest in marketing efforts that target both local customers and tourists. Develop partnerships with travel influencers or bloggers who can help promote your business to their followers. Use social media platforms to share engaging content, including photos, videos, and customer testimonials. Remember to always prioritize the quality of your services and the satisfaction of your customers. Continuously seek ways to improve and exceed their expectations. By delivering exceptional experiences, you'll build a strong reputation and a loyal customer base. And there you have it, folks. Starting a bicycle rental and tours business may have its challenges, but with the right knowledge and passion, you can create an incredible venture that combines your love for cycling with the thrill of entrepreneurship. So get out there, pedal to success, and enjoy the ride.